So, with all the confusion that is going on between coming to the US or leaving the US, with everything that's going on these days, here's what I wish someone had told me when I was at a similar crossroads. Back in 2015, I saw everyone was packing their bags, my friends, and heading to the US. And it seemed like everyone else was moving on in their lives, and I was kind of left behind. I wanted that life as well, but I could not leave for the US at that point in time. So I thought maybe it's not for me, and I continued to work throughout my career, did my best. And years later, in 2021, when COVID shifted the world, I finally got my shot. The time felt right, the situation felt like an opportunity. I applied for my master's and finally moved to the US. After a few years, I graduated, I was working, but again, I was at a similar crossroad. It did not turn out to be my dream job. It wasn't fulfilling in any way. And I again was thinking to myself, is this what I really want to do? Should I go back home? And so I did decide to go back home. It was a very difficult decision, but I had to go back. And guess what? Life brought me back again in just a couple of months. I got married, and because of which I had to come back to the US. So at that point in time, it felt like my life made the decision for me. Now I've lived here for 5 years, and the takeaway really is for me that every time I have followed what felt right, even if it was very scary or stupid, things have just worked out. And I finally understand that you don't always choose your path, sometimes it chooses you as well. So if you are in that what should I do phase, don't panic. The answer is probably inside you. You just need to stop overthinking and start listening to what truly feels your decision. I hope this helps at least one person today. And if you're interested in some real talks and tips about living in the US, follow me.